On which systems/filesystems is os.open atomic? This article states that is atomic on most file systems. Is that true, on Unix and Windows? On which file systems? The docs state that mentioned flags are available on Unix and Windows, so it looks like a tempting, cross-platform method for file locking. The flags o_create and o_excluding ensure that the calling process creates the file.
For our next compliant, certified POSIX, IEEE 1003.1 as per the Open Group systems, the behavior is guaranteed as the Open Group specs for Open to mandate this. Quote, o_excluding if o_create and o_excluding are set, Open shall fail if the file exists. The check for the existence of the file and the creation of the file if it does not exist shall be atomic with respect to other threads executing Open naming the same file name in the same directory with o_excluding and o_create set. If o_excluding and o_create are set, and path names a symbolic link, Open shall fail and set erno2 exist, regardless of the contents of the symbolic link. If o_excluding is set and o_create is not set, the result is undefined. The common UNX and UNX-like systems, Linux, GCOS, BSD, Solaris, X, HP, UX, surely behave like that. Since the Windows API doesn't have Open as such, the library function there is necessarily re-implemented in terms of the native API, but it's possible to maintain the semantics. I don't know which widely used systems wouldn't comply. QNX, while not POSIX certified, has the same statement in its docs for Open. The BSD man pages do not explicitly mention the atomicity but free/net/opens to implement it. Even exotics like Symbianos, which like Windows doesn't have a UNX-ish open system call, can do the atomic open/create. For more interesting results, try to find an operating system. See runtime library which has Open but doesn't implement the above semantics for it. And on which Python would run with threads. Got you there, MS-DOS. Edit, my post particularly focuses on which operating systems have this characteristic for Open, for which the answer is, pretty much all of them. WRT. To file systems though, the picture is different because network file systems, whether NFS, SMB/CIFS or others, do not always maintain o_excluding, as this could result in denial of service. If a client doesn't open o_excluding, and then simply stops talking with the file server, is shut down, everyone else would be locked out.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.